Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the button on your Philips Sonicare toothbrush feels stuck or does not press properly, it can make the toothbrush difficult to use or even stop it from turning on and off. You might notice that the button stays pressed, feels hard, or does not respond when you try to use it. This usually happens because of moisture, toothpaste residue, or dirt collecting around the button area over time. Since this toothbrush is used daily in a wet environment, small particles can slowly build up and affect how the button moves. In some cases, the button may still work but not smoothly, which can lead to further problems if ignored. It is important to clean and free up the button area carefully so the toothbrush can work normally again. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Philips Sonicare button that is stuck. Try these. 1. Turn off the Philips Sonicare toothbrush and keep the Philips Sonicare toothbrush away from water. 2. Clean around the button of the Philips Sonicare toothbrush to remove residue. 3. Use a slightly damp cloth to wipe the button area of the Philips Sonicare toothbrush. 4. Press the button on the Philips Sonicare toothbrush multiple times to loosen it. 5. Dry the Philips Sonicare toothbrush completely, especially near the button. 6. Turn on the Philips Sonicare toothbrush again and check if the button works smoothly.